Hi, as the title suggests, this video will be about fake SSDs. As you can see, I have bought 3 MX500 2TB drives just this Monday, and maybe you already see there is a slight difference in the coloring. These two are much darker than the one in the center, and also the sticker is lower quality. It is not an aluminum finish but a paper. The cutout is not that perfect. Some corners are not rounded, and this is really funny. It should look like aluminum, but it's not actually. And maybe you would like to tell me that's why you should buy SSDs on a trusted store like Amazon. And in that case, I have to tell you, all 3 are from Amazon, not from a third party. They are directly from Amazon.de. Also, if we look on the other side, the original ones have a plastic spacer. The fake one doesn't have any. And there are slight differences on the labels, like the original has SATA 6 gigabit per second. The second is a small lowercase s. The fake one has an uppercase s, and also the graphics on the label are not as sharp and crisp. So it looks like a clear fake. A bonus, this is a one packaging. It's original Amazon frustration-free package. This is the original drive. As you can see, there are no stickers. There's just down a sticker and a main sticker. And there is a serial number on the barcode in the center. This is another packaging from the original drive. And this is the packaging from the fake drive. There's another sticker, this one. The center sticker doesn't have a serial number of the drive. And there are slight differences, like made in Mexico, and on the original ones there is product of Mexico. Now let's examine the drive a little bit closer. There are also other slight differences, like if we look on the side of the drive, the casing is made of 2 parts on the side. It's clearly visible. And on the fake drive, it's made on the side from 1 piece. And you might notice there are no screws. Don't mind that. I was really curious to see what's inside, if there is a lower quality NAND or whatever. But I was a bit surprised, so let's open the drive, because the screws are already. See. This is a 2 terabyte MX500 Crucial drive. Very nice. It's a SATA mini PCIe converter. Maybe it works, I don't know. I didn't test the drive, I didn't put it in a server. But so beware, there are fake Crucial MX500 drives on the market.